2, 1. Devolving of the health function is the main hindrance to achieving universal health. And standing in front of you today is Hamza from the great Moi Forces Academy. Yes, we do encourage what the proposition side of saying. They have given us the mug full of solutes. Now we are here to give you the solvent to the better solution. But guess what? This solution does not really dissolve, because some of these solutes do not dissolve in. So let us give you the better solutes and the better solvents to the better solution. I don't encourage so, actually, there is nowhere they stated how their facts affect the affordability and accessibility of the universal healthcare. So I have nothing to rebut here. I'm going to head down so fast to my points. But before that, I want to clear this air about devolution, because devolution was the solution. How? According to a statistic that was written by Dr. Andrews Mulwa, he says that from the Vision 2030 website published on the 6th June 2021, 93% of Makweni are an hour away from a health facility. And he also states that more than 270,000 individuals are a kilometer away from a health facility. So how does the devolution become the devil? Another, just to spice up onto that, another article written by Kimathi from the Africa Development Volume 42, that is, on the 1st of January 2017, he tells that in Machakos County, they improved the safe delivery facilities by providing maternity facilities and giving all primary health facilities a maternity ward and ambulances, something that the national government could not do. Thank you. On to my first point. Corruption. The monster against the achievement of universal health. They've tried to tell us how corruption affects us. They've also tried to bring about its consistency, both the first proposer and the second proposer. But according to my fact, written by Daniel Zuma, Nation Africa, June 29, 2020, he tells us about a scam. He tells us that 1.18 billion grant is offered to the national government. And this because they didn't actually realize that this grant was given to the national government because they were supposed to give it to the county government to establish their health facilities. But only 30% is accountable of that money. Ladies and gentlemen, that was a scam, and that was how corruption was brought. But the first proposer told us that corruption in that the leaders are tracking in their money, and the second proposer came to tell us that the facts of accessibility and affordability are not encountered through corruption, which I didn't actually get. So Stephanie Washira, you don't have to throw your shoe at me, because I'm going to let my team proposition here freshly chew the facts I've given them.